Pine nuts, also called pinyon or pignoli, are the edible seeds of pine trees. According to the FDA, 29 species of pines provide edible nuts, but only 20 types have seeds large enough to be worth harvesting as human food. Although a nut in the culinary sense, in the botanical sense, pine nuts are seeds formed from gymnosperms, not flowering plants. When raw, they are soft and taste buttery. Toasting them brings out the flavor and adds a little crunch. Pine nuts are consumed by many cultures around the world. They've been harvested from wild trees in Europe and Asia since the Paleolithic period. The fruit of the almond is a drupe consisting of a thick, leathery green outer hull surrounding a shell, pyrena, with a seed, not a nut, inside. Almonds are in the genus Prunus and subgenus Amygdalus, along with peaches, since they both have corrugations on the shell surrounding their seeds. Peaches, plums, and other Prunus members have fleshy exocarps. Almonds are deciduous trees. Their white or pink flowers appear before the leaves in early spring. The fruit matures in the autumn, 7 to 8 months after flowering. Almonds grow best in Mediterranean climates with warm, dry summers and mild, wet winters. The almond is a species of tree native to Iran. Ancient peoples transported almonds along the shores of the Mediterranean into northern Africa and southern Europe. Walnuts came from Persia and Asia. They were brought to California in the late 1700s. They are the oldest tree food known to man, dating back to 7000 BC. Walnuts grow on trees. They are seeds of dry drupes, a kind of fruit. There are more than 200 different kinds of walnuts. In the wild, walnut trees are propagated by seeds. Commercially, they are propagated by budding or grafting the rootstock. Hazelnuts are considered true nuts because they are simple, dry fruits which have a seed and do not crack open when they are ripe. They are edible raw or roasted and may be ground into a paste. In Europe, where hazelnuts are widely eaten, the nuts are known as filberts. Some historians believe the term filbert derives from the German word for full beard, Volbart. The lighter area of the shell where it attached to the husk may look like a full beard to some. Turkey accounts for 69% of the world total grown. With numerous hazelnut farms and an influx of Syrian refugees, child labor and exploitation has been found on Turkish farms. This has placed the maker of the hazelnut spread Nutella under scrutiny. Ferraro, its parent company, has since donated money to help resolve the problem and improve its image. The pecan is a species of hickory which can be found on every continent except Antarctica. The trees fruit best where summers are long, hot, and humid. Pecans are monoecious, which means that male and female structures are both found on the same tree. A pecan, like the fruit of all other members of the hickory genus, is not a true nut, but a dry drupe. A dry drupe is a fruit with a pit surrounded by a husk. Peanuts, along with beans and peas, are in the legume family. Legumes are edible seeds enclosed in pods. As a group, legumes provide the best protein source in the plant kingdom. Although the growth pattern of peanuts is like legumes, people eat peanuts like nuts. Peanuts are one of the most sustainable food sources available. Few plants self-pollinate as peanuts do. Self-pollination means peanuts do not require insects or wind for reproduction.